A new video of pretty Yagmur Yuksel have been shared on social media, and Yagmur was looking absolutely stunning and beautiful. Her new pictures are undoubtedly very beautiful, and she was wearing a beautiful cap also. So Yagmur's stunning and beautiful look has been shared, and she was looking so much beautiful and pretty. On the other hand, Baris baktas has also shared a new sharing, and Baris was also looking so handsome and beautiful, just like a prince. And Yagmur was also looking really pretty. So Yagmur Yuksel and Baris baktas new beautiful pictures have been shared. They were looking really beautiful, and they have captured great attention on social media.